just got done watching There's Something in the Barn from 2023. It is rated R, I believe. Is it rated R? Yeah, it's got to be rated R because the violence in it. It's an American family inherits a home in Norway only to find their Christmas festivities sparking murderous rage in a small but vengeful entity. This is it's under comedy, it's under dark comedy. There is some gore and violence. It's extremely campy, like very campy. So if you like very campy movies, this would be a good one for you. If you like campy holiday movies, this would be a good one for you. I don't know. I felt like it tended to be slow through a lot of the parts of the movie that I just didn't feel like it needed to be. I felt if they just kept the pace going at a pretty consistent pace, it would have made the movie more enjoyable for myself. Of course, it's campy, so it's going to be outrageous and, stupid and goofy and, just the speed, really. The timing and the speed, I felt like there were moments that just really kind of dragged and just kind of made me go like, ugh, can I finish this movie? So it's not one I'll be watching again. It's definitely campy, and I could see people who like this style of campy movie really enjoying it. So to be fair, I'd say 2 out of 5 stars. What about you, Lisa?
Yes.
Same for you, 2 out of 5?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The actors were fine and stuff, and the story was okay. Just, like I said, the pace of the movie for myself just wasn't on point for what I enjoy. If you have watched There's Something in the Barn, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. And, if you have not seen this movie, well, I'll put a trailer below so you can check out the trailer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.